Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open your project and go straight to the timeline. You want to find the audio layer tied to your clip. Scrub playback to hear where the voiceover starts and stops, then zoom in on the waveform so you can see individual phrases. Once you can see the wave peaks clearly, tap the clip to select it and reveal editing options. Make sure to distinguish system sound or music from spoken voice so you remove only the voiceover and keep needed audio elements. If the voice is part of the video, first use detach audio to create a separate audio clip. If it's already separate, position the playhead and use split to isolate the section you want gone. You can now either delete the isolated audio clip outright or tap volume and set it to 0% for a reversible change. Once done, scrub through the edit to confirm timing is intact. Make sure background music levels remain balanced after removing the voice, so the mix still sounds natural. After deleting the voiceover, tidy the timeline by ripple deleting gaps or dragging clips to close spaces so the flow is seamless. Apply short fade out and fade into any adjacent audio to avoid clicks or abrupt changes, and preview full playback to confirm the edit. If you still hear voice, make sure no duplicate or linked audio tracks remain and verify export audio settings. When problems persist, undo and repeat detach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.